Good day, dear learners and teachers. I am Reverie I. Vargas, a junior high school mathematics teacher. In this video, we will explore on how we can use CASIO calculator in teaching linear equations and inequalities. The examples and steps to be discussed in this presentation are also indicated in the CASIO book on linear equations and inequalities. In this lesson, we will be exploring on Menu 1 Calculate mode as we learn and teach linear equation and inequalities with CASIO Class Wiz. We will also include the Calc button in our discussion. So let's start. Let's start with the first given. To tell whether each item is a solution key in the expression, key in the first side of the equation and the answer should be equal to the second side, which is 36. Let's input the expression, starting with 2, then the fraction key, 3 in the denominator, arrow right, we click on open parenthesis, then 6, followed by x, minus 9, then close parenthesis. To test the first value, we press Calc. Class Wiz will ask for the value of x, so let's input the first value. In this case, it's 12. Then press equal sign. The first side is 42, which is not the same as the second side, so 12 is not a solution. To test the second value, we press Calc. Class Wiz will ask again for the value of x. Let's input the second value, which is 21. Fraction key. And let's input the denominator 2. We click on equal sign twice, and that gives us 36, which is the same as the second side. So, 21 over 2 is a solution. To test the third value, let's press Calc. Class Wiz will ask for the value of x again. Let's input the third value, which is 9.5. We press equal sign twice. And the value of the first side is 32, which is not the same as the second side, so 9.5 is not a solution. Let's go to another example. This time, let us determine if negative 10 over 3 is a solution of the inequality 11x minus 4 is greater than 2 quantity 7x minus 3. To determine if 10 over 3 is a solution, evaluate the value of x for each side of the inequality. Key in the expression on the first side. Let's input 11, followed by x minus 4. Then let's press Calc. Class Wiz will ask for the value of the variable x. Let's input negative 10, followed by the fraction key, and 3 in the denominator. We press equal sign twice. The value of the first side is negative 122 over 3. To change to decimal, press standard form to decimal form or SD. And the value of the first side is approximately negative 40.67. This time, let's key in the expression on the second side. Let's input 2, open parenthesis, 7x minus 3, close parenthesis. Let's press Calc and key in the value of x, negative 10 over 3. Negative 10, fraction key, over 3. We press equal sign twice, and that will give us negative 158 over 3. To change to decimal, let's press the standard form to decimal form, SD, and the value is approximately negative 52.67. Since the first side, which is negative 40.67, is greater than the second side, which is negative 52.67, satisfies the given, then negative 10 over 3 is a solution of the given inequality. Let's have another example. This time, let's solve each equation. To solve for the first equation, we input the first side of the equation by pressing 5, open parenthesis, 3x plus 4, close parenthesis, alpha calc for the equal sign, then input the second side of the equation, which is 10. We press shift calc, followed by equal sign, and the answer is approximately negative 0.67. So that's the solution of the given equation. Now let's go to the second equation. Again, we click on menu 1. For the second equation, let's input the first side of the equation by pressing 6x plus 7 minus x. We click on alpha calc for the equal sign, and we input the second side of the equation, which is 16. We press shift calc, followed by an equal sign, which will give us a value of x equal to 1.8. So the solution of the second equation is 1.8. To solve for the third equation, we input the first side of the equation by pressing 3x plus 4. For the quantity, we have open parenthesis, 2x minus 3, close parenthesis. We click on alpha calc for the equal sign, and we input the second side of the equation, which is 3x minus 4 plus 2x. Then we click on shift calc, followed by an equal sign, and that would give us a value of approximately 1.33. And for our last example, let's solve the given inequality. To solve the given inequality, we input the inequality as an equation. We start with the first side of the inequality by pressing 12x minus 4, and for the quantity, open parenthesis, 2x plus 3, close parenthesis. We press on alpha calc for the equal sign, and key in the second side of the equation, which is 8. We press on shift calc, followed by an equal sign. That will give us a 5. The answer is x is less than or equal to 5. That's it for now. We are positive that our teachers will be able to share this wonderful learning experience with our students.